To add Google Ads to Shopify, you need to start by creating a Google Ads account. If you already have one, you can proceed to the next step. If not, go to the Google Ads website and sign up for an account. Fill out the required information, including your email address, password, and business details. Once you have a Google Ads account, you need to create a new campaign. Click on the Campaigns tab and then click on the New Campaign button. Choose your campaign type, such as search, display, or shopping, and set your budget and targeting options. Next, you need to link your Google Ads account to your Shopify store. To do this, go to the Marketing section in your Shopify admin panel and click on Google Ads. Click on the Connect Google Ads button and follow the prompts to authorize the connection. After linking your accounts, you need to set up conversion tracking. This allows you to track the effectiveness of your Google Ads campaigns and make data-driven decisions. To set up conversion tracking, go to the Conversions section in your Google Ads account and click on the New Conversion Action button. Choose the conversion action you want to track, such as purchases or sign-ups, and follow the prompts to set it up. Now, you can create Google Ads campaigns that drive traffic to your Shopify store. To do this, go to the Campaigns tab in your Google Ads account and click on the New Campaign button. Choose your campaign type and set your targeting options, such as keywords, demographics, and interests. Create ad groups and ads that align with your campaign goals and targeting options. Finally, you need to monitor and optimize your Google Ads campaigns. To do this, go to the Campaigns tab in your Google Ads account and click on the campaign you want to monitor. Look at the performance metrics, such as clicks, conversions, and cost per conversion, and make adjustments to your campaigns as needed. You can also use the Google Ads dashboard in your Shopify admin panel to monitor your campaigns and make adjustments. Best practices for adding Google Ads to Shopify include starting with a small budget and scaling up as you gather data, using targeted keywords and ad copy that align with your campaign goals, and monitoring your campaigns regularly to make data-driven decisions. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively add Google Ads to your Shopify store and drive more traffic and sales.